Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is a companion or a follow-up video on fixing my microwave. This one is, what is it? A Jenn Aire. It's 5 or 6 years old, I don't know. I replaced the magnetron, which is inside there. It's a big, heavy piece. And that is on another video, so you can Google Froggy's Garage magnetron microwave and you'll find it. Anyway, one other thing that I needed to fix on this, and I did not have the parts at the time, and now I do have the parts. It's called a diffuser, and the diffuser is this piece of, I honestly don't know what it's made out of. It's not metal, it's not plastic, it's not paper, it's some kind of a thing. It clips in there just with those little tabs, real easy, no screws, no glue, and it diffuses the magnetron power that comes out and heats everything that's in the microwave. And the reason you need to replace this one looks pretty bad. I think that was the side facing the microwave. That was the side facing in. You'll get, to me, it's almost like a lightning or a flash or fireworks just going on real crazy. It'll really get your attention. You have to run over and shut off the microwave. It's an intermittent problem because if you start it up again, it would be gone. It would work. And then you start it up about 10 or 20 times later, and you get this big fireworks, lightning, whatever. I wish I could show it to you, but I'm not going to try and do that just because I don't want to do it and damage the new magnetron that I put in there. But anyway, real easy. What you do is you have to buy this. I'll put a link to it. In the comments. Take the old one, lay it over there, draw some lines on where you're going to cut it out, and I'm probably going to use one of my utility knives. I'm not going to use scissors probably. I'll use a utility knife to cut this out, and then I'll end up with something like that, brand new, and I'll just clip it back in. I will show you. Okay, let's go out to the workbench. So excuse all this other stuff. I'm doing front brakes and a wheel speed sensor on my Suburban, but that's a different video. So get a piece of hardwood or laminate or something, a utility knife with a good blade on it, and then just start cutting. I'm going to need 2 hands. There you can see how it's going. I've got one more cut to make. It's not hard, it's not easy either. You've got to bear down with your point pretty good and make sure you have a good backing for all those cuts. So there's some arm and hand strength involved. Okay, so there's the new one, the old one, and we're going to slide that back in and we'll heat up some coffee. Okay, so when you put it in, don't bend the tabs. Bend it in the middle. Bend the whole piece in the middle. Shove one end in, bend in the middle, shove the other end in, use your fingernail or something to tuck it in there. Because if you try bending the tabs, you're probably going to break the tabs, okay? And it has enough flex to just bend it in the middle. So there's my coffee. It got cold while I was shooting this video for you. I haven't staged anything yet, and we might see some of those fireworks. But let's give it 30 seconds. Crossing my fingers and standing back. And yeah, the turntable is turning. Excuse me. Turntable is turning, and everything looks okay so far. The little light that comes on inside to illuminate what's heating up. So far, so good. All right. No fireworks. Let's taste this. It's hot. I'm going to give it 30 seconds more and see if it gets a little bit hotter. I like my coffee hot. Almost so hot that you can't drink it, and you have to put it down for, 40 seconds to a minute, and then it cools off pretty fast. Anyway, 12, 11, 10. You can fast forward this. All right, again, no fireworks. Let's see if it got a little hotter. I'm not using a thermometer, just my tongue. Yeah, I can't drink that. It's too hot. So that's good. It means it worked. Okay, so these microwaves go what? 500, 600, 800, 900 maybe if you want one with a lot of bells and whistles. And you can fix it. I think I might be paid $5 for those diffuser papers. And the magnetron, you can look in my other video. I think I paid maybe 40 or 50 bucks for that. So you can buy a new one, or you can do it yourself and save some money. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.